Saturday morning fabrics, and I feel like we've just got some really great deals. They're all $14.99 today, and this is going to go to the fastest person who sees this because it's 100% silk. It's beautiful, just a beautiful print. I'm certain I paid way more than $14.99 for it, but there's just a few yards left, and so we're going to honor a price that's just a real bonus. It's a Saturday bonus. How about that? And same with this one, really. This is 100% viscose. Again, a beautiful fabric. Just the color is so current. We're seeing green in the stores. It's just beautiful. Kind of meant to be a batik print. It's a woven, 100% viscose, beautiful hand. It's printed. It's just a lovely piece of fabric. Just beautiful. Especially for what's going on right now, blouses. This is a piece I thought we didn't have any wools left, but we've got this little bit of wool left. It's 100% wool knit, a wool black knit. So again, for $14.99, this is just a giveaway. But anyway, I wanted you to see that. Beautiful. Love this piece. Absolutely love this piece. I'm almost hopeful that it doesn't sell because at $14.99, it's a giveaway. Stretch in both directions. This is a viscose. Isn't that beautiful? The colors are just so pretty. So this color in here is, there's a navy, but there's also like a darker color. It's not a black because I put it up against black, but it's perfect with this. And this is a like a Pontoroma weight. It's beautiful, but it's not a black. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. It feels, it's like heaven. It's just really, really nice. It's like a suede feel. But anyway, stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. It's mostly cotton. It just has a little bit of viscose or poly or something in there, but it's beautiful and it coordinates lovely with this. And then this black, I love this piece. It's like a paint spatters and it has stretch in both directions and it is 100% viscose. All right, so I know with these fabrics you'll have happy sewing Saturday from Silhouette Patterns.